Hi, welcome to my home studio. My name is Róbert Grondžel and I am principal double bass player with Beethoven Orchestra Bonn. Today I want to show you how I prepare Beethoven's 7th Symphony. As you can hear in the beginning of the first movement, we have a lot of 16 notes to play, loud and also silent. So when I play pianissimo, I want to get really steady rhythm, so the other instruments in orchestra can repeat or exchange these 16 notes. This is kind of spiccato. I play try to be steady, and in the next part we have something similar but different scales. So this would be bar number 33. What is quite important for me is to find the nice fingerings, so I want to finish the line in one position, so I don't have to switch position between the last two notes. For example, in the bar 15, and I approach a similar way on the other scales.